Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're having a closer look to the sensational rice fields in Jatiluwih, Bali. Just 42 kilometers away from Ubud, or 1 hour drive by scooter, you'll find the largest agriculture area on the island of Bali. On over 600 hectares you find stunning green and never-ending rice fields, which are watered by a traditional Balinese irrigation system known as Subak, which the UNESCO acknowledged to be a World Cultural Heritage. In an area of 300 hectares it is allowed to walk around, and the trek takes roughly 3.5 hours. Just lately they allowed as well to use e-bikes. The trek is roughly 1 hour long. In the background you can see the highest and the second highest mountain on the island of Bali, the Mount Batu Karu and the Mount Agung, with 2,276 and 3,148 meters. The rice fields are absolutely stunning and peaceful. It's such a pleasure to walk through them. The Regency administration is doing a good job and doesn't allow hotels to be built quite close to the rice fields. There are just some chosen restaurants which are serving food and some refreshments with a stunning view on the rice fields. In conclusion, I can say that I extremely enjoyed my visit to Jatiluwih. To drive from Ubud just takes 1 hour by scooter and brings you through beautiful villages and nice nature. The rice fields themselves are very spectacular and have a peaceful atmosphere. It's well worth a visit, and they're definitely some of the most beautiful rice fields I've ever seen in my life, and I can highly recommend everybody to take the time to make a journey to them. By the way, the name Yati means really, and Lui means especially good or beautiful, so basically you could translate the name by really beautiful, and they truly are. As you might have seen already in my By Now and Batat video in the Philippines, I'm a big fan of rice fields generally speaking, but particularly of the impressive ones of Jatiluwih. And I can recommend anybody who visits Bali to take the time to get a scooter and to spend half a day or even full day getting there, walking around, enjoy a milkshake and perhaps a beer, something nice to eat, and you won't regret it. The last videos on this channel are a comparison of the beautiful islands Nusa Penida, Lembongan and Cheningan, as well as natural swimming with spectacular whale sharks on the Philippines, both of them which you will find in the end card. The next videos will be a great stay in beautiful Munich, including a visit to the incredible Castle Neuschwanstein, Croatia's amazing Zagreb, followed by stunning Rovinj and the Plitvice Lakes National Park. We're then taking you on a road trip through freezing Scandinavia, hunting northern lights, a visit in Tromsø, one of the most beautiful cities I've ever seen, and we're heading through amazing nature right up to Europe's most northern point. That's it for the time being, ladies and gentlemen. Please like, comment and share this video if you liked it, and make sure you hit the subscribe button for future adventures. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon. You're Mitch Swift.